Another good trial of what fire is, because it is so important to know what you are dealing with, even before dealing with that thing. Are we together? Ni muhimu sana kumjua adui unayempiga ndio ujue unampiga vipi, sababu ukiwa adui haumjui hakuna venye unaweza kumpiga. Are we together? You don't know what you are fighting with. Are we together? You don't know what you are dealing with. Are we together? So who else? A very good trial from her. Who else? Nani anajua what fire is? In the morning, umefundishwa about the triangle issue, family issue, okay? So in fire we have that. Yes. Can you clap for her? Another clap for her. So when you talk about fire, we are talking about three elements. The triangle of fire. Because you cannot, huwezi pigana na moto kama hujui una deal na nini. Are we together? So fire iko na three elements. It has got three elements. Are we together? And that is what makes up what we call fire now. Are we together? The first one is oxygen. That is the first thing, oxygen. Without oxygen, hatuwezi kuwa na moto. Si ndio? Yes. Without oxygen, hatuwezi kuwa na moto. Yes, another example, yes? Fuel, eh? Yes, is it fuel or fuel? It's fuel. Or it depends on the bush where you're coming from, eh? It's supposed to be fuel. It's not fuel. It's supposed to be fuel. It depends on the bush where you're coming from, sindio? Yes. Now, we have fuel, sindio? An example of fuel? Paraffin, kerosene, anything that can be used to help fire be there. Are we together? Anything. Are we together? Even your clothes. Hata nguo zako zikishika ime nini? Are we together? Yes. Another one, another element, heat. Heat must be there. So hizo vitu tatu in fire lazima zikuwe hapo. Hizo vitu tatu in fire, for fire to be there, lazima hizo vitu tatu zikuwe ndio moto ikuwe. Paka hapo tumeelewana? Yes. Are we together up to there? Yes. So when fighting fire, most of the time we are fighting these three elements. It is these three elements that you are fighting in fire. Are we together? Yes. Tumeelewana paka hapo? Yes. Hello? Tunaangalia nini kule? Gari, Abeo na gari. Anyway, that's fine. Now, after knowing the elements of fire, we have what you call classes of fire. This thing mumefanya, I don't know, it's in home science or mumefanya wapi? Integrated science. Yes. Oh, you have that now. Technical science. Yes. That is in CBC, eh? Yes. Okay. Now, what are the classes of fire? Yes, we have class A, class B, class C, D, E. Name them. But mostly in Kenya tunajua class A, B, C. Mara nyingi tunaishilia hapo. Are we together? Yeah. But zinaweza endelea. Are we together? Zinaweza endelea. Now, what is the type of class A fire? Yes? Sorry? One clap for her. Yes. I'm just here, yo. Can you stand? No, uambie. Just stand.
Class A is made up of
combustible materials, eh? An example?
Firewood, paper.
Mumesikia hiyo? Yes. That is an example of class A fire. And then we have class B. Class B. Yes? Flammable liquids. Another clap for her. An example of a flammable liquid? Paraffin. Are we together? Petroleum. Mention them. Class C? Yes? Class C? Now I want from that side. Yes, from that side or from this side. Class C. Yes. We have flammable gases. An example of that? An example of a flammable gas? An example of a flammable gas? Oxygen. Huh? Oxygen. But it is an element of fire. But no, not oxygen. Here we are talking about things like methane and all that. Eh? How many of you are in Form 3? Similar organic chemistry. Yes. Melan organic chemistry, so you understand. Now, when you know these elements of fire, when you know these classes of fire, then you'll know how to extinguish them. Are we together? You'll know how to extinguish them. Because before you here, we have a fire extinguisher, ndio? But this fire extinguisher here, lazima ujue which fire extinguisher inatumika wapi, gani inatumika wapi na gani inatumika wapi. Wangapi wetu washaishika hii fire extinguisher? How many of us? Mshawahi tumia? Mshawahi tumia ama bado? Bado hamjatumia. Now, how many types of extinguisher do you have? How many types of extinguisher do you have? Yes, we have dry powder, water. Sorry? Soda, yeah? Another example? Another example? Sorry? Foam, carbon 4 oxide. Carbon 4 oxide. So those are the four fires of those are the four extinguishers, the types of extinguishers that we have. Now each extinguisher inatumika kwenye moto wake. Each extinguisher inatumika kwenye moto wake. Now when you look at these fire extinguishers, most of the time these fire extinguishers zinatumika ku extinguish small fires. Zinatumika ku extinguish small fires. Are we together? What do we mean by small fires? Small fires ni zile bado zinaanza. Are we together? Ni zile bado zinaanza. The moment we learn about something called safety when we are talking about first aid. The moment moto imekupita your height. The moment moto imepita your height. That fire is no longer a small fire. That fire is no longer a small fire. Are we together? So inamaanisha moto ikipita height yako, kutumia this fire extinguisher itakuwa ni kazi bure unafanya. Are we together? Yes, kwa sababu moto ikishapita height yako tu hivi, that is no longer a small fire. That is no longer a small fire. Paka hapo tumeelewana? Let's start with class A. Tumesema class A ni nini? Combustible materials. Combustible materials inazimwa na which type of fire? Which type of fire extinguisher? Water. You can use water. Dry powder, yes, you can use it. Foam, you can use it. Are we together? Yes. Yes. Now let's move to class B. Class B tumesema ni? Now flammable liquids, we can use which type of fire extinguishers? We can use which type of fire extinguishers? Carbon 4 oxide, foam. Water. Never use water. Never use fire extinguisher that has water in it to extinguish flammable liquids. Are we together? Hata pale nyumbani wakati unapika na moto ukawaka, are we together? Usichukue maji ukarushia ule moto. Are we together? Kwa sababu moto wa mafuta unaweza kurukia, it can come back to you. Are we together? So usitumie water for that. Then we have class C. We have class C, sorry. Class C tunatumia which type of extinguisher? 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 Umekuwa class. Tunatumia which type of extinguisher? Dry powder. We can use foam. Are we together? We can use foam. Why foam? Because huwa inaenda kuform a blanket hapo mahali. Are we together? Inaenda kuform a blanket and then inazima hiyo, ina cut off the supply of oxygen. Kwa sababu kuzima moto ni hizi vitu vitatu tunazikata. That is oxygen, heat and fuel. Are we together? Hizi vitu vitatu kimoja kisipokuwa hapo inamaanisha we won't have fire. We won't have fire. But kama hizi vitu vitatu kuna viko hapo vikishirikiana, inamaanisha moto utafanya nini? Utakuwa mkubwa au utaendelea kuwaka. Are we together? Now, what are the steps wakati moto umetokea? What are you supposed to do? What are the steps? What are the steps that you are supposed to take? That moto umeshatokea, what are the steps that you are supposed to take? What are the steps? The first step is running. What is the first step? You run. So ukisikia moto wewe kazi yako ni kukimbia. What is the first step? Screaming. What is the first step? Ukisikia moto.
Open the window.
Open the windows, eh? You open the windows ndio baridi iendelee kuingia. Yes. You remove anything that is. Now picture this, God forbid, eh? Mkodom mumelala. Then all of a sudden, tumesema God forbid. All of a sudden unaona something ina ignite. Are we together? What will be your first course of action? What will be your first course of action? Scream. It is not scream. The first course of action is shouting. Are we together? Shouting, fire, fire. Are we together? You alert everyone that there's an emergency. You alert everyone that there's an emergency. You alert everyone that there's an emergency. So andika hapo shouting fire, fire. Are we together? Can you shout fire? Like that, eh? Yes. Are you together? That is the first action. That is the first action. So una shout fire. Are we together? Are we together? Now, after shouting, what is the next thing? After shouting, what is the line? Yes. Yes. Another example. Thank you. That was a good one. One clap for her. Yes, another example after shouting fire. Write acronym REST. Write acronym REST. REST. Acronym. You know the meaning of acronym? Yes. Acronym ni maneno zime itasemaje? You people you know what acronym is. Andika REST. R-A-C-E. R-A-C-E. Yes, kwenda hivyo chini. R-A-C-E. REST. So that is, you rescue anyone that is in danger. Are we together? Yes. You rescue anyone that is in danger. Why do we say this? Now, you are trained personnel. You are not like others. Si kama wale wengine that after shouting fire wao watakimbia. Are we together? Now, when you are rescuing a person, you must make sure that your safety comes first. Your safety comes first. Your safety always comes first. If kama ni what do I mean here? Rescuing someone else, una alert wale watu wengine, unawaamsha. Isn't that rescuing? It is. Are we together? But it is not nyumba imeshika moto na wewe unataka kuingia hapo ndani to rescue your friend. Na nyumba imewaka moto. You don't do that. Your safety comes first. Your safety comes first. Are we together? So if you are in a position to help anyone, you make sure that you do. If you are not, safety yako ni muhimu kwanza. So look at your safety first. If your safety is not guaranteed, kindly don't. Are we together? Kindly don't proceed. So if you are in a position to rescue anyone, kindly do. If not, that unajua huyu mtu nikimshika hapa or nikiingia hapa na moto umekuwa mkubwa, then it can pose danger to me also, then don't do that. Are we together? Yes. And then we have E. Si tuko na E hapo kwa res? Yes. Tuko na E? Yes. Ama tuko na A kwanza? Yes. Tuko na A, si ndio? Yes. A, it says alarm the authorities. Alarm the authorities. If there's any alarm, si kuna alarm somewhere about whenever an emergency happens, You don't know where it is? You have, eh?
Yes.
So una make sure that unajua pale alarm iko, wakati fire ikitokea, you alarm the authorities. Are we together? You alarm them, you alarm everyone. Are we together?
Yes.
Paka hapo tumeelewana?
Yes.
And then we have C. And then we have C. C it says you confine the fire. You confine that fire. You confine that fire. What do you mean here? You try to make sure that hii fire haito spread sana. Are we together?
Yes.
You try to make sure that hii fire haito spread sana. So you confine it. You confine the fire. And then after confining the fire, we have E. It means you extinguish that fire if you are in a position to extinguish it. If it is small and safe. If it is small and safe. If it is small and safe. I repeat, your safety always comes first. So if it is small and safe, you extinguish it. If it is small and safe, you
Extinguish it.
If it is in a position, hiyo fire imekuwa kubwa. Tumesema a small fire ni fire ambayo haijapita height yako. The moment that fire imepita height yako, that fire is no longer safe for you. So for that matter, kwa hii tutasema you evacuate. Are we together? You evacuate. You run to the assembly point. You run to the assembly point. Mahali fire ikitokea, there's an assembly point. Where is the assembly point? Yes. So you run to your assembly point. Now you make sure when you are running to the assembly point, hauanzi kubeba vitu. Are we together? Okay, unafikiria like, oh, there's that uniform of mine, ni bado ni mpya, let me go back. Are we together? Unatoka venye uko. Are we together? Unatoka venye uko. You are in a dorm, umelala. Are we together? So umesikia fire, unaona moto ndio ile. Wacha kutafutana na vitu mingi. Are we together? Toka venye. Are we together? Toka venye. And immediately unaenda to the assembly point. Usikimbilie mahali kwengine. Don't rush. Unakimbia unafikiria, oh, nilikuwa na rafiki yangu mahali amelala. Let me go to that place. Don't do that. Let me go to alert my sister kwa ile dom nyingine. Don't do that. Just go straight to the assembly. Remember, your safety comes. Sawa. Your safety comes first. Are we together? Are we in agreement with that?
Yes.
Any question concerning that? Before we move on, any question concerning that? Swali yoyote? Any question? Yes. What if your moto imeanzia kwa exit? Now this is so important sometimes to mark where the exit is and where the entrance is. And in case of fire, always follow where the exit is. Always follow where the exit is. Most of the time, for that matter, you'll have to find out another meaning that is, if that fire now it is bigger than you. If that fire is bigger than you, na iko kwa exit na imeshika kwa exit, then you find another way of getting out. Are we together? Yes. But we learn something about that when we come to first aid. Kuna kitu sitaki kumention about that. Wacha tukiingia kwa first aid, we'll talk about it. Sawa. In case of imetokea kwa exit, this is the exit. I need to pass through this exit. Are we together? Hii ndio exit. Maybe tuseme domu uko juu uko kabisa. Si ndio? Na exit ndio imeshika moto na nafaa kupita na hapa exit ndio hii. Hakuna exit nyingine. What will I do? Are we together? Hiyo sasa iko kwa first aid. Sawa. We'll talk about it. Yes. Let me not mention it. Wacha tuongea nayo hapo. Yes. Another example. Iko kote kwa kutoka ndio hiyo tutaongelea. Yes, another question. Now, tumesema kama moto ni ndogo, jua imeanza.
Maybe we can